Hello, good evening. Today I'll be telling you how to make two very simple projects using just two raw materials, beads and this metal wire or metal string. I'll be teaching you how to make this bead bonsai first, and second one I'll teach you how to make a very simple hair accessory using the same two raw materials, the metal string and the beads. Both the metal string and the beads, they come in the market. We can get it from any craft store. This is very flexible and it can be twisted according to our will. And we know that beads also come in the market in different shapes, sizes, and they come in different quality as well. So let us start with the project. First I'll tell you how to make this bonsai with using this string and the beads. So first, this string, it comes like this in the market. So you have to untie it, and I have kept some strings ready. See, this is the full string. So we'll just almost divide this into half, and then we have to insert beads into it. We have to insert the beads into the string. See, let's take it into half. Now I kept the bead like this. So since this is an oval bead, you can keep the shape either like this or you can keep it like this. Just after inserting it, just give it a gentle twist. See, the first bead is ready. Now we'll separate the two and then again insert the bead through the string. See, and then we'll keep the bead like this and give it a gentle twist again. Now we'll continue with this side. We have to repeat the same process. We have to insert the bead, keep it like this, keep the bead like this and give it a twist. Keep twisting. Now keep twisting the string, and then we will again insert the bead. You can use any beads. Here I am using green bead, but you can use even round beads. Okay, round beads, especially pearl beads, they look very good with this golden string. But since I don't have the pearl beads with me right now, I am using this green beads. See, we have to continue the process. And again twist it. You should try to twist it as tightly as possible. Then repeat the same thing. See, now one part is over. Now I have made many parts like this. See, I have made total 5. So what we have to do is, we take all of them together. And then twist it together. Twist the whole thing together. See, now we have to arrange the beads and give it a shape of a tree. See, our bonsai tree is ready. I have kept many such trees ready. See, I have made one with this pink one, and this is with the pearl one. So how we can arrange now is, we can arrange it in a flower vase like this. This is a bottle which I decorated it using paper, and then I have kept it like this. But you can use it in a normal flower vase itself. You can use this oasis form. This oasis form also comes in any craft market. You can just make this and just insert it. See, you can insert it and keep it in the flower vase. I hope you got an idea how to make this. Now let me start off with the second one. Second one, for this again I am using the strings and the beads only. For this we take 3 strings. See, 3 strings. First we have to give a gentle twist at the bottom. The string that I have got here is very delicate. That is why I am using 3. You can even use 2. See, I have 3 strings like this. Now what I am going to do is, I'll take golden beads. Okay, I'll insert 4 golden beads in all the 3. This is 2. This is 3 and 4. See, like this, and then 4 like this. Four in the center. And 4 in the side. You can use big beads also. Here I am using very small beads. So here also again since you are making a hair accessory, you should not go for black beads and all that, because they won't show in our hair. So you can go in for golden, you can go in for silver, or any light colors that blends with your dress. See, now I inserted 4. Now take all the 3 together and just twist it. See, now it takes the shape like this. See, we have to continue like this till we come to the desired length. And finally, I'll tell you how to finish it off. I kept some this ready. So this size will be enough. So see, the last piece we'll just gently, just like the beginning, we'll finish it off. We'll just give it a gentle twist. Keep twisting till it is over. And I'll tell you how to wear this. You can just see, I have put my hair in a bun so that I can show you how it looks like. This I have made with metal wire and pearl. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.